28-to-1 Cam 2 Dominator oil.
Watch that hydro dip. No splashing.
Alright, I think that's enough.
Just in case you have a runny nose. Put that in there. That's what that's for, a runny nose.
I'm gonna save it for my
Don't worry about that kill switch.
let's see what's up. Alright, let's fire it up for Dale. What do you think? This is a brand new 990 carburetor. Stock, not a modified.
You did the basic tune already?
Nope.
On the needle valve?
Nah, I'll do it over there. I gotta warm her up. Let's just see.
On the other side.
On?
Man,
Turn it on?
yeah. Feels good.
I don't know if the kill switch is on.
Let's run her at the parking lot. I want to do a quick tune, just a little high. I think I have to lean the high just a little bit more. And then we're going to throw the body on and we're going to do a couple of laps and call it a day. All right? So far, things are good. Gary and I were worried about that kill switch.
Yeah,
I was ready
I couldn't sleep. I figured it's not going to work.
I was ready to chop that thing off, but we got it. So, yo, so far, so great day. And no matter what, bro, we got the real superhero, Dale Earnhardt.
Action
figure.
That ain't no Superman, bro. There's no Batmans and Robins. It's Dale Earnhardt, kid.
That's a
This thing still smells like 3-in-1, bro. I had a shitload of 3-in-1 in this engine, and I think that's why it helped to ignite. Smells like 3-in-1 like crazy, bro. I don't even smell the Cam 2 yet. All right, so here, you got this. I'm gonna do a quick couple of passes here, just to tune her a little bit, and then we're gonna do a couple of laps over here.
A couple ovals.
And look, we got the flag halfway down, just out of respect for Dale Earnhardt today, kid. Any questions? I smell the can too, baby. I think we should bring it to the drag races. I'm not gonna tune anything, bro. I think that's it.
Not enough smoke. Let it go a little rich. I think it's pink or less.
No, I think it needs another gear, bro. That's it. G290. That's a modified 290. No 320. That's a 7-year-old full mod G290. She sounds good, baby. That fucking butt pipe is nice. Bro, you want to race, kid?
Car's coming this way, bro. Go. Stand in the middle by the flag.
Look at that shot. American flag in number 3, bro. Look at that shot right there, bro. Look at that. Dale Earnhardt, number 3 with the American flag halfway. You can't get any better than that. This is what you call respect. Go for Dale, bro. stop signs, you know?
Probably run out of gas. Yeah.
Whatever the problem was, I got it. All right, something I have to point out. I point out everything. We don't lie about nothing.
It's happy to see you again.
It's happy to see you.
It moved.
I don't care how long this is, but I'm going to show everything, like mistakes. I know a few guys that hide their stuff, but I had a little issues. There was some awkward stuff happening a little while ago, but anyways, guys.
I'll show you the heartbeat.
Listen.
Heartbeat.
Loctite, Loctite, Loctite. Don't listen to people, oh, I don't Loctite or whatever. Listen, I Loctite and I torque my shit.
The
check it out.
heartbeat of the car.
All right, check it out. Check it out, guys. Any questions? That was the whole problem we had. All right, until it finally loosened up, and it's just too much of an air gap. See that? And you guys know, I even have videos of showing me torque this bitch to 65 inch pounds. All right, so no worries. We had a fun day, great day. Better late than never. Now, I'm not going to be wrenching. We're going to be enjoying the final of the rest of the race. Whatever we missed, we're going to just watch the race. And that's it, man. Beautiful day. Peace. Today's a great day, bro. We got Gary's buggy here running, kid. Yo, you got to run it. You got to race it one time. Do it for Dale, kid! Oh! Wheel came off! Wheel came off! Lock tight your shit! Lock tight your shit! Oh, that some bitch is pumping, bro! That cam too?
Yeah, them too.
Smell good, kid. Oh man, yo, Loctite, bro. I Loctite my hub. I do.
Put them on.
Yeah.